the ultimate packing list for travel to Vanuatu. Planning a trip to Vanuatu. This beautiful South Pacific archipelago offers lush jungles, pristine beaches, and rich cultural heritage. But before you set off, it's essential to pack right. Here's your ultimate packing list for Vanuatu. Vanuatu's tropical climate calls for lightweight, breathable clothing. Pack t-shirts, tank tops, light pants, and shorts. Opt for materials like cotton, linen, or nylon. Don't forget your swimwear for those beautiful beaches and a sun hat for protection. Bring travel-sized toiletries and personal care items. Sunscreen and insect repellent are must-haves. Pack a basic first aid kit with Band-Aids, antiseptic cream, and any prescription medications you may need. Protect your electronics from humidity and salt water with protective cases. A camera is a must for capturing Vanuatu's stunning scenery. Don't forget extra memory cards, batteries, and a charger. A portable power bank can keep your devices charged on the go. If you plan to hike, pack sturdy, waterproof hiking shoes. Binoculars can be handy for spotting wildlife. A dry bag is essential for keeping your belongings dry during water activities. Planning to camp? Bring a lightweight, waterproof tent, a sleeping bag, and a camping stove. Carry some cash in Vanuatu's local currency, the Vatu, and ensure you have comprehensive travel insurance that covers medical expenses, trip cancellation, and lost or stolen items. Pack high SPF sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses for sun protection. A basic first aid kit is handy for treating minor injuries and illnesses. Packing for Vanuatu requires planning and consideration of the climate, activities, and cultural norms. With this ultimate packing list, you're ready to enjoy all that this stunning island nation has to offer. Safe travels.